What surprising geography affects regional food flavors? Imagine walking through a city and tasting the land itself in every bite. The way a region's geography shapes its food can be truly surprising and fascinating. When you think about food, you might focus on recipes or spices, but the land and environment play a huge role too. First, climate is a big factor. Cold regions tend to have hearty foods like root vegetables, potatoes, and grains that grow well in cooler weather. Think of Scandinavian dishes with lots of potatoes and preserved foods. Tropical areas, on the other hand, flourish with fruits like mangoes, bananas, and coconuts because of the warm weather and abundant rainfall. These ingredients become the base of many tropical cuisines. Soil quality and terrain also matter. Fertile plains are perfect for growing a variety of vegetables and grains, which makes the local dishes more diverse. Mountainous or arid areas might only support hardy plants or livestock like sheep and goats. This results in simpler, more robust flavors, like the lamb and herbs in Mediterranean cooking. Proximity to water bodies influences what's on your plate too. Coastal regions often have diets rich in seafood, seaweed, and salt-tolerant plants. Inland areas relying more on land-based farming and meats from animals like cattle, pigs, and chickens. Freshwater lakes and rivers also determine what fish are available, shaping local flavors. Biodiversity is another key element. The plants and animals native to a region give chefs unique ingredients. For example, the wild herbs and spices used in Middle Eastern cooking come from the local flora, while hunting in forests provides game meats like deer or wild boar. These natural ingredients create distinct tastes that define regional cuisines. Cultural factors like genetics and history also influence flavors. Some populations are more sensitive to bitter tastes, which can shape the spices and herbs they prefer. Early exposure to local foods helps communities develop their culinary traditions, reinforcing regional tastes over generations. Trade routes and migration add to this mix. When people move or trade goods, new ingredients and cooking styles blend into local dishes. This mixing can create surprising flavor combinations that still reflected the region's geography. For travelers planning culinary adventures, understanding these geographic influences helps explain why certain places have such unique flavors. A coastal town might serve fresh seafood with citrus and seaweed, while an inland mountain village might focus on slow, cooked stews with root vegetables and game meats. Recognizing how geography shapes ingredients helps you find authentic and memorable food experiences. In the end, even microclimates, isolated valleys, or special soil types can produce unexpected flavors that make a region's cuisine stand out. These natural features are what give each destination its unique culinary identity, making food a true reflection of the land itself.